Hey guys, what's going on? Gonna take a quick look at Ripple. Ticker for this is XRP, and I'm currently on the weekly time frame. A couple of things before I get into it. First, you may hear some motorbike sounds in the background. Hopefully, the audio comes through okay. I'm just in a very busy part of Bangkok right now. Also, if you're not subscribed, oh, there we go. Also, if you're not subscribed and you want to get notified when I release new videos, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all. If you click away before doing that, you may have a hard time finding the channel again in the future just because it's relatively new. And because of that, I'm not really prioritizing the search algorithm. Also, if you want a place to trade XRP and any of the other coins that I talk about, I put a link to 3 different exchanges in the pinned comment and the description. So after the video, maybe check out those links if you want to get some sign-up bonuses. Okay, so back to XRP. I haven't covered this coin in a few weeks, but in my previous videos, I had all these kind of like support and resistance lines marked out for you. Now, I don't want to spend too much time going over everything, so I'm just going to give you a quick rundown, right? So if maybe this is the first time you've watched an XRP video of mine, here's what I recommend that you draw in your chart, okay? So first, this downsloping level of resistance, you have multiple touches on it, and we broke out of it, and not only did we break out, we came back for the retest. So we had the impulsive move and then the retrace back to retest this broken level of resistance as a support. It held and we started coming back up. Now, another level that I recommend that you draw that is still relevant to where the price is right now, it's going to be this line right here. So I would suggest taking a horizontal trend line, pasting it at the top of these candle bodies right here. So you see it was resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. And now that we are above it, you can kind of anticipate that if we do get a pullback from where we are, it will be a support level, right? And that level is around 0.5373. So yeah, relative to where the price is right now, this is very significant. Draw that in your chart. Okay, and as for where the price is right now, where we're getting the resistance, basically we got 2 points of resistance where the price is right now, so we have confluence. The first is this upsloping level of support. Since we broke below it, it's now resistance, right? Broken support is resistance and broken resistance is support. So we're contending with this broken support line as a resistance, and also we have this horizontal level based on these candle body lows right here. So take a horizontal line, paste it below these candle bodies, okay? So that's what we're dealing with right now, and I'm going to change the time frame so you can get a better look at that. And here you can get a better view of the resistance that we're facing. So where I would enter, obviously I wouldn't enter along right now on a short-term swing trade because as I just showed you, we are at a resistance level. What I would look to, the first positive sign would be at least a daily candle above this upsloping level of broken support, which is now resistance. So daily candle above here would be good. Ideal would even be a weekly candle, right? So weekly candle body close above this level, right? Above this, basically this confluence of resistance that we're getting. So maybe a weekly candle close above here. Then I would personally enter along, place my stop loss below these current resistances, which will then be a support level. And then I would target all the way up here based on this previous swing high, right? So that would be around 93 cents, right? So if I could enter at around maybe 62 cents and run that all the way up to 93 cents. I'd probably front run it a bit actually. I'd probably get out at around 91 because I would anticipate that a lot of selling pressure is going to come in here. But yeah, that would be a pretty good trade, good R&R, right? Because yeah, actually let's just map that out and see what kind of risk reward ratio we can get on that particular trade setup. So long position theoretically, if I were to enter it right here, I would place my my stop loss below both of these current resistance levels, and I would target up. I'd front run it right about here. So this would give me a risk reward ratio of 1 to 5.82, risking 7.86% to potentially get almost 45% to the upside. So that's a particular trade that I'm going to be watching out for. If I had to take a trade right now, I'd probably do the opposite, right? I would maybe enter a short, and I'm not going to do this, right? Because I think we are basically, the trend is shifting. I think we are going to make our move back up. So I'm not looking to enter this particular trade setup for a short. But if I did, like if I had to pick one right now that would give me the better R&R, it would be to enter a short and place my stop loss above this particular wick. So again, let's take that down to the daily time frame. And yeah, it would basically be a short position down, down basically right here to this next level of support. So if I was to map that out, let's see what that would give us. Okay, so entering rate where we are right now, stop loss. If I did it above that wick, I don't even know if it would be worth entering from an R&R perspective. Yeah, that would give me a 1 to 1.45, not even worth it. So I would have to tighten my stop up a bit and just put it slightly above this resistance line. That would be a little bit better. That would give me a risk reward ratio of 1 to 2.94, meaning for every $1 I risk, I could potentially get almost $3 back in return, and I would get 8.44% if the price did return back to this previous support level. Now the thing is, we already have broken out, got rejected off this upsloping level of resistance, and then came back down for the retest. So seeing that it's already happened, I don't think it's going to happen again. I think the more times we interact and hit this resistance line, the more likely we are to break it. So I just think this needs a slightly, like a little bit more time, and then I think eventually we are going to get through it, at which point I will take the trade setup that I mentioned and hopefully get that 44% if it runs all the way back up to the previous level of resistance. Now I'm going to take that back out to the weekly, and I just want to get a better view here. Yeah, you know what? Actually, if we do break this level of resistance, this 93-94 cent range, then I think, guys, we're probably off to the races. That's going to be a huge level to get through, and then if we start closing weekly candles above, then I think we're just due for at least the all-time high level. These lines I've drawn, like you can go back to my previous Ripple videos. I drew the support and resistance line quite a while ago, and the prices they're still relevant today, right? So the price is adhering to them. This is trading very, very technically, right? So yeah, that's the trade setup that I'm personally going to be looking for. Hopefully it plays out and I get a good entry on it. But anyway, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button. If you're not subscribed and you want to get more content from me, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all. And once again, if you want an exchange to trade XRP on, the links are in the pinned comment and the description. And depending on your location, you may need a VPN as well. So I put a link to a promo on a VPN in the links as well. All right, guys, take care. Have a good day. Bye.